Hello everyone, welcome to this SENSHU Math 2015 Part 3. And in Part 3, there's a line there and parabola. The line A of y equals x plus k, which k is a constant, is tangent to both the parabola of B, y equals x squared minus 5x plus 7, and the parabola C of y equals x squared plus 3x minus 1. Then point P is the point of tangency of the line A and parabola B. Point Q is the point of tangency of the line A and the parabola C. And the point R is the intersection of the parabola B and the parabola C. Now fill in the following blanks with the correct numbers. Now what is the constant K? Now constant K, as it is pointed that from the question that line A is yx plus k, that k is the constant where the line is tangent to this both parabola. So for that, you just have to find that, make it equal to each other, the parabola and the line. So equals x plus k. So this x squared minus 6x plus 7 minus k. And what to do from this? You know that it's tangent. Tangent means the discriminant is 0. So discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. You know that from the general quadratic equation form. So this is the constant is minus 6 being squared, 36 minus 4a 7. Sorry, 7 minus k. The c is the constant of this one, right? 7 minus k is equal to 0. So 36 equals 28 minus 4k. So 4k is minus 8. So k is minus 2. Okay, so the answer is minus 2. You could actually just try 2, x squared plus 3x minus 1 equals x plus k. It's just resulted in the same result of k. So for number 1, the constant k is minus 2. Now for the question 2, the x-coordinate of the point P is what? Now point P is the point of tangency between line A and parabola B. So that's basically, we have find the line A, which is x minus 2, right? Now we have to find the point of tangency. Okay, so x coordinate of point P, which point P is actually just the coordinate of the tangency between this parabola and this line. So we just have to use it like this, and we find the roots of this quadratic equation. We just factorize that. So this x equals 3, and when x equals 3, y is 1. So the x coordinate of point P is 3. And then there's the x coordinate of the point Q. Now you see the point Q from the question is the point of tangency of the line A and the parabola C. Now for x coordinate of point Q, we just make it equal to plus 1. So this is x is minus 1. Okay, so this is for point Q. And then the x coordinate of point R. Now what is point R? Point R is at the intersection of the parabola B and the parabola C. So just make it equal to x squared minus 5x plus 7 equals x squared plus 3x minus 1. This is cancelled out. This is 8 equals 8x, so x is 1. Okay, now for number 3 is unique. Now find the area surrounded by the line A and the parabola B and the parabola C. So basically there is a picture there. So from the picture, it is said that there's a line. You can see line A, parabola C, parabola B, and you can see there's a point Q. You know that Q from the x coordinate is like minus 1, right? And from point R, you can see that is 1, and point P is 3. And now from that, you just look that with point Q, it is this parabola, this one, x squared plus 3x minus 1. For this parabola, there's the point P, which is related to this parabola, and this is just the line. So basically this point here, the point of intersection from R, okay, it is divided the area between parabola x squared plus 3x minus 1 and the x minus 2, right, this area, with this area between parabola x squared minus 5x plus 7 and line x minus 2. So basically we have two integrals here, which is the integral from limit with minus 1 to 1 of the parabola x squared plus 3x minus 1 minus with x minus 2. So that is x squared plus 2x plus 1, and then plus with the integral from 1 to 3 of x squared, this, minus 6x plus 9. And you can just calculate it properly. The answer is 16 over 3. So this is the area of the surrounding region here. Okay, so that is everyone for Senshu Math 2015 part 3, and yeah, stay tuned for the next part of Senshu Math.